Hey, welcome back. On this post, I'll be talking to you about the overall crypto markets before diving into some of the charts for Algorand, Algo, USD, see what has changed since last time. I'll be sharing with you my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're now giving away 4 free stocks now instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below. I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, see what exactly is going on in the crypto markets. Let's dive into Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action first, because that could affect altcoin price action. Bitcoin dominance, currently the price action I'm looking for and focusing on is on the 3-day chart, is being supported by the 3-day 21 simple moving average. If that support breaks, I could expect better trading opportunities for altcoins and a possible quicker breakout for Algorand, Algo, USD. Bitcoin price action as well. Bitcoin price action does look a little, it is in a bearish pattern of a rising wedge right now. However, it is holding up within that rising wedge pretty bullishly. That is something I'm paying attention to as well, because if Bitcoin price action breaks down, I could expect similar situation as I have seen last week, when Bitcoin price action broke down, took a lot of the altcoin price action down with it. Now let's dive right into Algorand, Algo, USD. On the weekly time frame, let's start from there. I can see that the price action is right underneath the blue line right here, which is the 21 simple moving average on the weekly time frame. Okay, that is about where I have the neckline is, which is for this apparently inverse head and shoulders pattern, bullish reversal pattern. However, the neckline is about 36.5 cents, also in confluence with where that weekly 21 simple moving average is. Okay, let's look through the 3-day time frame. I can see that we're still right underneath the 3-day 50 simple moving average, which is also where the 0.236 fib level is, about 35 cents. On the daily time frame, we're above all moving averages, so I don't see any moving average that could act as overhead resistance on the daily time frame. Let's take a look into the smaller time frames and see if price action could be working on a breakout here. Let's go to the hourly. I do see that there was bearish divergence on the hourly time frame. It's playing out right now. Double bearish divergence actually. So has broken down the 21 simple moving average, the blue line right here, and could be heading lower until the 50. Let's see if price action gets a bounce from there. Otherwise, I think a delayed breakout could be happening instead of this round right here, instead of this swing right here. Now, let me discuss that. Okay, so we do have, like I said, we do have an inverse head and shoulders that is apparent on the daily time frame and on higher time frames as well, but more detail on the daily time frame. If this price action does not break out on this swing right here, I could possibly expect lower price action and a delayed breakout. Okay, because if we don't have a breakout here, we could be forming another shoulder, which could take a few more days. So that is not ideal for me, because I don't want my money just in the market doing nothing, or possibly even continuing downwards when I could be somewhere else. Now, let's talk about the measure target of the breakout, which would be about, the neckline would be about 36.5 cents, like I said, and the measure target is about, it's a little over 50 cents, may or may not be reached. Now, there are some major resistances between the breakout and the measured target, which would be about 43 cents, the 0.382 fib level, and the 50-cent level about, which is also the 0.5 fib level. So these are possible areas where there's going to be a rejection of the price action, taking into consideration that the measured target may or may not be reached. Okay, these are possible levels where price action could get rejected pretty hard. Now, let's talk about the bullish and bearish case scenario. Bullish case scenario is that we break out of this neckline and of this inverse head and shoulders pattern sooner than later. So if we actually do break out, if we actually do continue and on this swing and get a bounce from some of these moving averages down here and continue higher, that would be part of my bullish case scenario. Now, like I said, the moving averages that could be acting as support for the price action now is the hourly 50, about 33 cents. I'm sure there are other moving averages that's also in between as well. The 4-hour 21 simple moving average, also about 33 cents. And then the 6-hour moving averages, a little under 33 cents right now. And so are the 12 hours. So 33 cents seem to be a pretty significant level as the time of this video, because that's where a lot of moving averages on different time frames can act as support and give the current price action a bounce and possibly another attempt at breaking out of this neckline and this pattern and go towards this measured target. This is my bullish case scenario. My bearish case scenario will obviously be if we spend any more time underneath this neckline and possibly create another shoulder to this inverse head and shoulders pattern, or even invalidating this pattern, which is less likely, and do something more bearish and have more downward price action. I think that's less likely. I think so. I do think possibly the bullish case scenario is more likely to me because of how far Algorand is lagging behind other altcoins in this retracement cycle. The next likely scenario would be if the bullish case scenario does not play out, then it could possibly create another shoulder before breaking out of this neckline at about 36.5 cents. And then the least likely scenario, I think, would be if there's more bearish price action that goes on underneath this neckline and possibly even invalidating this inverse head and shoulders pattern. Now, these are my scenarios for Algorand as of today. I hope you guys found it helpful. Let me know your feedback. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know your agreements, disagreements. I would love to hear them. If you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I hope you guys manage your risk carefully, and see you next time.